this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a cryptocurrency before it is listed on any centralized exchange. So let's get the fun fact. The problem that most new crypto trader faces is that they always buy cryptocurrency when the price has pumped so high, meaning they normally buy a crypto when it is already oversold and when most senior traders have already made profit and are about to drop the coin. That is why most times when you buy a coin, especially those who are meant to, especially the coins that are meant to be short-lived, the value depreciates so fast because it has already been overbought and because people are already selling it off. So the major hint is this: before a coin is listed on any centralized exchange such as Binance, Bybit, or any other centralized exchange, it has already been listed on a decentralized exchange such as PancakeSwap, Uniswap, OKX. So let's get it straight. That is, there are two types of exchange: the centralized exchange and the decentralized exchange. So a coin is first listed on decentralized exchange before it is listed on a centralized exchange. Centralized exchange is Binance, Bybit, and co. So, and it's only a coin that has already done well that they used to list on a centralized exchange. So for you to make maximum profit buying a coin, you must have to buy it when it is listed on a decentralized exchange, when it has not really gone so far. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a cryptocurrency before it gets listed to a centralized exchange, and I will also be showing you how to check if this new crypto is real, scam, rug pull, or a shitcoin. So let's get started. So the first step in discovering a coin is coming over to this website on this tab here. This website is called CoinMarketCap. So in this coinmarketcap.com, just make sure include /new so that you'll be able to filter new coin. So when you come to coinmarketcap.com /new, this is how the interface will be like. So you come over here, you see that recently added is the one that we are currently on. So you can see that this coin was recently added 7 hours ago. This is 11 hours, 13 hours, 13 hours, 15 hours, and yesterday, which is 1 day ago. Now what you see over here are the blockchain on which these coins are being hosted. Like this one is hosted on Solana blockchain. This one is hosted on Base, Solana, BNB, Solana, and Toncoin. Now this is the volume, and then this is the market cap. That's the total worth of the coin. And then this is the performance of each of these coins within the last 1 hour. So within the last 1 hour, this coin made a profit of 0.04%, and within the last 24 hours, that is when it was newly launched, it made a profit of this you're seeing here. And then same apply to other coins: the name, the price, the hourly profit or loss, and the blockchain on which it is hosted. Now for you to take part and say, okay, I want to trade a particular coin, first of all you have to think about where your money is. Do you have your money as a Solana? Do you have it as a USDT in a BNB smart chain? Do you have it as a Base, or do you have it in Ton? So let's assume at the end of the day you have Solana, you have Solana coin, and you want to trade a Solana coin. So all you just have to do is you click on this first one here. So when you click on this first one, it's going to bring you to a detailed page of that particular coin. So starting from the name, the current price, the market cap. This one is still in $50 million market cap, and then other things. This is the social icon, which you also have to look for to see. You check the social media to see what they have been up to recently. But one of the most important thing we are going to explore here is this contract, which is the contract address. So contract address is going to help you to check the coin anywhere, like anywhere you want to trade it. You don't have to come and start typing the name. So when we copy the contract address, then that will lead us to the second part of the video, where I said I'm going to show you how to filter out rug pull and shitcoin. So for us to filter out shitcoins and rug pull coins, there are some websites we use for this, and then I have 2 websites on my deck, and then the first one here is strictly for Solana. That is where you see this soulsniffers.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description anyways. And then the second one is tokensniffer.com. Now token sniffer is general for all blockchain, is not specific, while Solana sniffer is particular for Solana meme coin. So I'm going to check for Solana right now. So now remember that from here I copy the contract address of the coin that I want to check, and the name of this coin is Dudipals. So I'm coming to Soul Sniffer, and then I'm over here. I'm going to right, to paste the coin. I copy it, then it will give me the details of the coin as you'll be seeing on the screen right now. So now this is the coin. I copied the contract address. So when I click on this coin, it's going to show me details and things I have to know about this coin. So first of all, it's going to it's saying us that this coin, according to their rating, is 63 over 100, and then it's going to show us some core features. Now the first thing to look out for in this coin is that they said large portion of liquidity pool is unlocked, so that means they can easily withdraw the liquidity. So this coin is a no-no. As you can see, they already marked it as a high risk coin, so you don't even think of going for this coin. Now another risk factor is that they said it's recently deployed. Yes, we know, we saw it, so that one is actually a low risk. But so long as the liquidity portion is unlocked, chances that they will just pull up the liquidity and then rug pull everybody that bought the coin is there. Apart from that, every other thing is okay. They made it look good, but the coin is a no-no. So you can also check the same coin on a token sniffer, which is a general wallet scanner. So if I paste the same contract address here and hit my enter key, you can see the coin name. So if I click on it, it's going to take me to the detail pages of the coin, and then as you can see here, them, according to their rating, they gave it 70 over 100, but they have a problem too. So when you scroll down to this place, you can see that it's still talking about the liquidity. Okay, so once a coin is having a liquidity problem, chances of rug pull is high. So let's check out for another coin to see what to see how we analyze another coin. So okay, right as I was talking, another coin was already listed, which is this one, Tokabu. So, and it's listed on a BNB smart chain. So I'm focusing on Solana coin for today. Maybe in the next video I will be talking about BNB coin and the base coin. So please, I urge you to subscribe to this channel and like this video so you'll be getting updates, as I'll be sharing you information on how you can filter out shit coins. So now let's check another meme coin, which is Solana. This one is Rage Guy. So when I click on Rage Guy, it's going to take me to the detail page of a Rage Guy, and then I'm coming down here then to copy the contract address. So when I click to copy the contract address, I'll still come over to my source sniffer. So when I come to the source sniffer, I'll paste the contract address as usual, and then it will fetch me the token information, as you will see very briefly. So this is the token information, and then when we click on it, let's see the results they actually have for us. So now these people, they didn't even rate it at all. As you can see here, this is so sniffer score, it's 0 over 100. It's a no-no. These people are purely criminals. As you can see, everything here, there's insufficient liquidity, very low liquidity risk. In fact, everything here is talking about liquidity. And let's forget about the fact that they marked these ones as good. So long as a coin is having low liquidity or problem with liquidity, chances are that what it will end up doing is that they will pull the liquidity when people have bought into the coin, and then making it possible that the coin will crash. Imagine a coin you'll be buying for, let me say, like $100, it will be 0.000 if you have ever experienced something like that. So you don't even think of buying this. So we come over to CoinMarketCap, you keep searching. So let's assume at the end of the day you found a coin you want to buy. I don't want to make this video long, otherwise I'll still get a very fine coin here, but I'm keeping it simple. If you follow this step, so let's assume that at the end of the day we want to buy, let me just check a coin that was listed yesterday. So let me say at the end of the day you decided that okay, you want to buy this coin. So all you just have to do is copy the contract address, and then I'll be heading over to my phone screen right now to show you how you can buy this Solana coin using a Phantom wallet, because the best platform to buy Solana coin is using the Phantom wallet. So I'll be doing that on my phone right now. Okay, so back to Phantom wallet. So what I have to do right now is that as I've copied the contract address, I'll come over to this icon, and then when I click on this icon, I'm trying to use Solana to buy Rage. So when I click here, I'm going to first of all paste the contract address that I just copied, and when I paste on it, I'm going to click to search for it. So as you can see, this is the last contract address I copied, which is the Rage Guy. So when I click on this, and then I will say, let me say I want to buy this with a total of 1 Solana. So 1 Solana is going to give me a total of this quantity of rage. So if I confirm that, okay, I really want to buy this rage, I'll click and proceed to buy the coin. So but at this point I won't be buying this coin because it didn't even pass the criteria for me to buy a coin. So I'm just doing this video for video sake, and then there's an insufficient Solana in this account. So that is it on how to find a meme coin and then look for a coin before they are listed on a centralized exchange when you still have time to buy it and make more profit. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video for more, and turn on your notification for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.